In this video, I'll show you thorn stitch two ways, straight and curved. For straight thorn stitch, start by making one long straight stitch. I've drawn myself guidelines here using a water-erasable fabric pen. Now I'll couch my straight stitch using diagonal overlapping straight stitches. I'll continue stitching all the way down my line. I'm going to speed up the video here just a bit to get us to the end. Next, I'll show you curved thorn stitch. I'll use two different colors of floss here to help with the demonstration because the technique is a bit different. Start by bringing your floss that will be couched up through your fabric. We won't bring the stitch back down until we're done with our entire line of stitching. You'll follow this same pattern of couching this floss to your fabric with short overlapping diagonal stitches, maneuvering your couched floss as you follow your curved line. Again, I'll speed up the video here just a bit to get us to the end of our line. Thorn stitch is great for decorative borders, vines, and other plants, and as you can see here, it actually follows a curve quite well. Once you're at the end of your line of stitching, you can secure your couched floss to your fabric.